Alrighty guys, just wanted to show you my little project I've been working on. This is actually a teardown and rebuild back to prototyping because I had a little basically junk bot put together with most of these parts here and was having a major issue with the servo receiving tons of noise from either the motors or something. I don't know because I put capacitors and diodes to get everything smoothed out, but it's still just jittered like crazy. As a matter of fact, now it's burnt out because it's twisted itself all the way over and jittered back and forth, and it's stuck now. So that one's blown. You know, what can I say? I paid less than $1 for it, so can't be mad at that, right? But I'm thinking it's more likely the wiring that I'm using. I'm pretty sure that I went too thin of a gauge on the motor wires, so I probably want to change those. And then figure out some other things, how to reduce the noise on there. So, I'm still learning, teaching myself here, no professional training whatsoever, all internet instructions and reading up on things. So, considering, not doing too bad. Otherwise, what I've done is change the code a bit to get the servo out of the way. So, even though it's still there mounted up, it doesn't do anything. Got it so it pings at a certain distance, it'll just back up and turn one way, and then continue on its way. So yeah, anyways, that's my little prototyping guy. I will put in the video of my first attempt and actually had a fully assembled junk robot the way I wanted it. But I'm going to have to revisit that design once I figure out how to smooth out or completely eliminate all the noise that goes into the servo. So at the end of this video, I'm going to have a little clip of that so you can see what was going on. I think I've already also uploaded a quick little sample video of it. So anyways, there we are. I'll get it running and show you this version in motion. Okay, so here it is doing its little motion. As you can see, it's still listing there to the right. It could be a weaker motor, could be the wiring again. I think I probably put too small of a gauge of wire on there, but otherwise, it's doing its thing. I will put another link to the servo failure so you can see what it was doing before it burned out. I had it actually working fairly well in practice without the motors. It ran perfect. Put the motors in, the noise came through, the servo went wonky, and everything just fell apart. So it's either going to be different servos or figure out, get some shielded wiring, that type of stuff. And then figure out what's going on with that motor. Why is it running that way? So yeah, there we are. My first attempt. Okay, so here you go, seeing the final, or what I want it to look like in the final completion there. Anyway, so if you notice the servo there is turning to the right, that's not coded to do that. Plus, it just stops randomly and looks around, so it's all interference causing that to happen. So it's not just affecting the servo, but the sensors too. But anyways, that's what I want it to look like in my final project. Thanks for watching.